Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a manual Acura Integra. First, familiarize yourself with the three pedals: the clutch on the left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. Next, understand the gear shifter's layout, typically a 5-speed or 6-speed pattern. Finally, practice finding the clutch's biting point, where the engine begins to engage, which is crucial for smooth starts. To start moving, ensure the car is in neutral and your foot is on the brake. Then, press the clutch pedal fully to the floor with your left foot. Shift the gear lever into first gear. Now, slowly release the clutch pedal while simultaneously applying a gentle, consistent pressure to the accelerator with your right foot. This coordinated movement will get your Integra rolling smoothly. When it's time to shift up, accelerate until the engine reaches about 3,000 revolutions per minute. Then, quickly depress the clutch pedal fully while simultaneously lifting your foot off the accelerator. Shift the gear lever to the next higher gear. Finally, smoothly release the clutch pedal as you gently press the accelerator again, ensuring a seamless transition. To stop, anticipate your braking point. Depress both the clutch and brake pedals simultaneously to prevent the engine from stalling as you slow down. Once the car comes to a complete stop, shift the gear lever into neutral. Finally, engage the parking brake firmly to secure your Acura Integra, especially on inclines, before turning off the engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.